Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. We had some technical difficulties. Lost a bunch of footage from yesterday. We started a video for the old Evinrude. We grabbed the truck and the boat out of the old back 40 there, brought her down here and grabbed the Evinrude off her own little stand there and slapped her on the back of the Alumacraft. Now, little 3-horse. I wanted to do some fishing yesterday, so I pulled her out and I was gonna get it running, which I did, which we'll cue that video now. Okay, so the thing about a 58 plus year old motor is you never know if it's gonna start back up again. And there's a lot of water in the bottom of my boat, so hopefully I do not drop the phone. Oh, this oh, my gear is fucked. She's spinning away on me. Alright, let's see. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's either, it's because of that blown up fucking O-ring for the jet, or the water in the carb, one of the two. But in my opinion, that run's good enough to put on a lake. It's gonna die. It's gonna die. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Oh, it done it. Damn it. she ain't run in a while. That's evidence of that. But as you can see, it wasn't running quite right. You had to run it with the choke open, or at least half open. And so I pulled it apart and discovered what I discovered later on in the video. You'll see what happened there. But yeah, we had a whole intro, everything already completed, and then went to add some more to it this morning. We've been up early working on this. Went to add some more content to the video this morning, and went back to edit. Lost like 3 minutes of footage, so yeah. Enjoy the video. Okay, so I was pulling the carburetor pad and I dropped one of the bolts in the tank here. God, that is messed up. Alright, well, we found it. That's okay. So because I'm cheap, I pulled that carb apart and I found out the float was split right in half. The seam there, she'd given out. So I looked them up and they're only like 18 bucks, but I really didn't want to buy a brand new one, so I ended up getting out the soldering gun and heating up the plastic so that now we have a float. Pretty damn sure that was our issue. So we're gonna dry her off here, go try to throw it back together in the dock, and hopefully have a running boat. Alright, we got her all wiped down. Now I'm gonna toss her together and we'll fire her up. Alright, we got that float back in there. This is gonna be seriously crazy if this works. But she's on there. Operational. So now all we gotta do is throw that bowl back on there, throw the line together, and I don't know, I'm thinking 3 pulls? We'll see. I actually found this out from the factory. She come with the option for a fuel pump. That's what this is. The back of the fuel pump has a hole in it, and you take the screw out, you line the fuel pump up with this, and you bolt it up to these holes here. And it takes the pulse and compression from this bottom cylinder and pulses the fuel pump, so that you can run my fucking expensive fuel setup I bought for that thing that I'm not very confident with. Oh, that'll help. There we go. Give me a second here. Okay guys, it is 8 o'clock in the morning, the next day. Didn't sleep much last night because I decided to edit what video we recorded yesterday, and when I put the car back together I noticed the needle was stuck, and that's why she wouldn't fire up on us yesterday after we put the car back together. So we're back at it early. We're going to pull that back apart. I'm going to clean that up. I'm going to run a wire through the jets. I forgot to do that last night. And hopefully we'll have some results this time. My little bag of tools here. No bolts in the barrel. I got shit laying everywhere. Oh, if you can see that, we had some fucking gunk come out of there though. Okay, so the last video I guess decided to stop recording on us, so I'm gonna burn this a little bit more. Wishful thinking is not gonna help anything really, but why the fuck not, right? Well, we've got it all put back together. We've got fuel open. We got petcock open. I don't know, guys. I do not know. Okay, so this video is getting really long, but I really don't want to accept defeat. I really want to hear this thing run again. It doesn't have to run well, I just want to hear it run again, because this is really confusing me and it makes no sense. I'm losing sleep over it. So, little concoction, we're going to spray some fuel in the cylinders, and I'm thinking if we can get it to fire, we should be able to suck enough fuel through to keep it running. Because it's not worse than when we started, so I'm confused. It's, if anything, it's better than when we started, but it doesn't want to run. So, I'm going to buy a new float Thursday. We're going to have to wait for that to come in, so it's going to be a week or so before be able to get the boat on the water, but maybe we can hear it run again. Let's see. Okay, so I'm pretty positive it's that float causing us issues. I can spray fuel through the hole in the air breather and it'll idle up, which tells me it's not getting fuel to that carburetor. I assume that float's not floating. And that's where our problem lies. So I'm gonna order one offline, and I don't know, probably a week from now we'll have it running. Maybe longer. I don't know, we'll find out. But yeah, another video on the Evinrude. Hope you guys enjoyed, and until next time on Small Speed.